As health and safety officers, one of our most important responsibilities is helping our department continuously improve. Whether we're doing emergency scene operations, response practices, or day-to-day station activities, there is always room to become safer, more effective, and more resilient. A powerful tool for achieving this is called a gap analysis. A gap analysis helps us answer three simple questions. Where are we now? Where do we want to be? And what steps are needed to close the gap? The goal is not to focus on what's wrong. Instead, we identify what the department is already doing well and use those strengths as a foundation for improvement. A gap analysis is a structured comparison between the current state, existing practices, current policies, available resources, actual behaviors, and the desired state, best practices, department goals, NFPA recommendations, regulatory requirements, and safety objectives. The difference between the current state and the desired state is the gap. Once identified, those gaps become opportunities for improvement. The process can be broken down into 4 steps. Step 1. Identify current practices. Ask, what are we doing today? What resources do we currently have? What procedures already exist? What is working well? Step 2. Identify the desired state. Ask, what does success look like? What should be happening? What best practices should be in place? Step 3. Identify the gap. Ask, what is missing? What is inconsistent? What barriers are preventing success? Step 4. Develop improvement actions. Ask, what realistic steps can bridge the gap? Who is responsible? How will progress be measured? Let's look at an emergency scene example. The current state. The department consistently utilizes an incident command system. A designated incident commander is established on every working fire, and accountability tags are used. These are strengths and should be recognized. The desired state. In addition to command and accountability, formalized rehabilitation is established at every extended incident. Crew rotation is tracked. Vital signs are documented. And behavioral health monitoring occurs following critical incidents. The identified gap. The department has a strong command structure but lacks a consistent rehabilitation program. Improvement opportunity. The strength is the existing accountability system. The department can leverage that same accountability process to track rehab status, document crew rotations, monitor firefighter wellness during incidents. The key lesson: build from existing successful practices rather than creating entirely new systems whenever possible. Now let's examine emergency response operations. The current state. The department has emergency vehicle operator training, seatbelt policies, modern apparatus equipped with safety systems. The desired state. The department also wants regular driver refresher training, near-miss reporting, data tracking for response-related incidents, trend analysis of vehicle accidents. The gap identified. Training exists, but performance data is not consistently reviewed. The improvement opportunity. The department already values safe driving and invests in training. That commitment can be expanded by implementing quarterly reviews of response incidents, near-miss reporting systems, driver performance evaluations. Key lesson: existing training programs can become the foundation for a broader response safety initiative. Not all safety concerns occur on emergency scenes. Many gaps can be found around the fire station. The current state. The station has equipment cleaning procedures, physical fitness equipment, and annual health screenings. The desired state. The department would like consistent fitness participation, better cancer reduction practices, enhanced contamination control, and improved sleep health education. The gap identified. Resources are available, but participation and consistency vary. Improvement opportunity. The department already prioritizes firefighter wellness through health screenings. That existing wellness culture can be used to introduce fitness challenges, improve post-incident decontamination practices, and educate members on sleep and behavioral health. Key lesson: the best improvements often come from expanding successful programs rather than starting from scratch. Gap analysis is not about finding fault. It is a process of continuous improvement that helps health and safety officers identify opportunities to make firefighters safer, healthier, and more effective. Remember, identify the current state, define the desired state, recognize the gap, build improvement plans using existing strengths. The most successful departments don't focus only on weaknesses. They recognize what they're doing right and use those successes to drive future improvement. As a health and safety officer, your role is to help lead that process.